Hey guys, just got my package from Menlo for August. I'm dying to open it. Now this one's supposed to have a t-shirt, basic tee, and a denim jacket they've been working on. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Let's see what we got here. That's correct. So, we have the La Brea tee in a pink color. I love the color. Love the color. I'm gonna be rocking this. This will definitely go well with my skin tone complexion, for sure. Perfect. And last and not least, but the piece de resistance. And this is their denim jacket that they've been advertising. The bridge jacket. And it comes in black, which I ordered, so that's going to be on the way. Let's see how it fits. Oh, wow. Some buttons, and they come right open. You don't have to work hard to pull the buttons open. Say word. Oh, wow. That's crazy. I love it. 2 pockets in the front. And it looks like they're usable. Definitely is. You could put a little wallet, if you have a small wallet, or your cell phone maybe might fit in here. Maybe. I have to check it. Inside pocket. Oh, the pockets on the side is huge. For sure your phone could fit in this. And what's weird about it, it looks heavy, but it's light. So this is definitely a fall or spring jacket you can wear and layer it with like a basic La Brea t-shirt. Oh, this color palette's sick. Yeah, I can't wait. Oh, wow. As always, if you like what you see here, at the bottom of the link, there will be a link for you to try it out with a discount for the first month. Perfect. So you can see the pockets up close. And the side pocket. Oh, and like I said, I bought this in black, so I like the blue, so I know the black is going to be fire. Well, enough of me flexing. Look at me flexing and checking it out. Ow. Well, I enjoyed these pieces. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, it's a very lightweight jacket, especially the t-shirt. It's all 100% cotton. Looks. Again, if you're interested in trying out the monthly packages, the link is below. You save at least a good discount on your first one. So, ciao.